What is going on, guys? Welcome back to Trading Learning 101. I hope you guys had a great day today. Currently, WKEY blasting off from 16 up over 18 with news. WKEY to auction the first ever secure luxury non-fungible token NFT watch on March 31st, 2021. That's the hot thing right now. All of these NFT stocks. WKEY, it can run up to 20 bucks. It most definitely can. Let's see if we can get a pullback on it. Possibly take a position. I can't chase after it right here. What's up, Michael? There was a lot of good opportunity today, guys. We had WKEY from this morning. Wafu having a nice run from 850s all the way up to 21 bucks. EEIQ from $18 all the way up to 35 bucks. Back down 14, good bounce back up to 25. CLEU, nice rip from 450s all the way up to 750s. RAIL, good run from 475 all the way up to 680s or 660s. And ROOT, beautiful setup today. Nice run from 1350 all the way up to 1550. A good $2 move. Let me go back to WKEY real quick. Oh yeah, look at the price action just jump around on this. 18 rips up to 1875. I think it pulls back down to 1750. We were in the WKEY CEO is on Benzinga Live. Yeah, that's going to pump the stock up. So this morning we were in the trading live stream on Discord. We're going to be doing that for the Wolfpack Ultimate Pass members only. Normally I was doing live streams on YouTube every Friday, but it's just getting to be too much. It really is. Running all this stuff on my desktop, YouTube, Discord, Trade Ideas, Street Smart Edge, Thinkorswim, trying to answer everybody's questions and pay attention to what's going on. But a lot of people in the trading chat today killed it. A few people made, I seen $600, $900. Some making a couple hundred, some not even trading at all. Fridays can be one of the hardest days to trade out of the whole week. Let's see what WKEY does here from 18. This could rifle back up to 19. People want to trade. What area did I say it'd come down to? 1750s. It wicked right down to 1765. Volume's still at pretty massive lengths right now. I think it needs to pull back a little bit more and gear up, reset. Let's see if we get that push back up to 19. So far, so good. 1870s. Might pull back down again. Volume's just flowing into this thing. $18.70s. Let's get that pop up to 19. Up to 19. It could push up over 19. Get a quick surge up to 1920s. $14-15 million in volume. I don't think it's gonna go yet. It's gonna pull back down. With the CEO being on Benzinga Live, they sure are pumping it up. It's a key area right here for it. If it doesn't hold up at this 18, it's going back down to 17. We all know WKEY loves to rifle and fire up. Let's get that rifle up over 19. Come on. There's 19. Up over 19. Boom. I'm selling into that. Nice. Wow. Good push up on WKEY. It's going to 20. I jumped in at 1836. I sold it at the push up over 19. I'm up on WKEY 5K. Total on the day, guys, I'm up $14,605. Who out here's doing this stuff, guys? Nobody. Not even Dekmar. Absolutely destroyed it today. CLEU, $476. EEIQ, $6,200. TKAT, $880. WAFU, $2,036. WKEY, $5,000. Grand total, $14,605. Most people have to work 4 or 5 months to make that type of money. I just did it in a day, in 3-4 hours. WKEY, I even said it when it was right there at 18. We all know this thing loves to rifle and shoot up. We have fresh news off the press, volume surging into it. Here's the test of high of day at 1950. From here, it's going to either rifle up to 20 or it's going to slam down below 19. We traded WKEY this morning back and forth as it pushed up to over 17 right here. We were telling everybody in the live stream, don't anticipate the breakout. Sell just before it breaks out. Because majority of the time, high of day breakouts fail. So I always like trying to get in on pullbacks and selling up near its highs. If it does break up higher, I consider that a bonus. TKAT traded just a little reversal here from this morning downtrend. Real quick, $880. CLEU, real fast pop on this. I had to load up on this one to even make coin. 5,000 shares to make $500. Really wasn't even worth it. And then WAFU, WAFU. Only traded it one time. Little small move here. with 6,000 shares, made $2,000. EEIQ, that was another one. This morning, I bought pre-market. I bought 2,000 shares. Waited till the market opened. I had a feeling and I kind of knew that this stock was going to rip to the upside. It just had it written all over it. Yesterday, it had a move up to $70. It got really tight here pre-market. And right out of the open, this thing ripped up and it was running into a halt. I sold it at 23. This thing ran all the way up to $35. So I sold it super, super early. That would have been, what, 30, 35,000? But I'm always looking to just take a piece of the pie. I don't want the whole pie. You just focus on taking little pieces of the pie. Those profits add up. Cut your losers as fast as possible. Nice end of the week, right? $14,605. Heck yeah, I'll take that. That's a blowout. I used to have to work months for that. Yeah, Glue 6, with settled funds and margin trading, just take it one trade at a time. Focus on quality, not quantity. Look at WKEY surging up over 20. I only took a piece of the pie, a little small piece. From 1836 to 1920. No need to get greedy on these types of stocks. This thing can run all the way up to $50. I'm not going to chase after it anymore. Yeah, this week also I hit a new personal best. That was Wednesday. My previous record was 32K in a day. I crushed it. I made just over 40K in one day. That's my new personal best. You guys seen me live in chat today in the trading live stream as well. The trading live stream for Ultimate Pass members. I traded with you guys this morning. We traded for 3.5 hours. We ended it just after noon. And you guys don't see me out here on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. I'm not out there flexing my P&L. I'm not all about that because you attract the wrong type of people. I'm more about putting education out there and slowly getting the people that actually want to be here. I did an experiment one time where I started flexing my P&L every day. You guys would not believe the messages and emails I would get. That's all majority of people want are alerts. They don't actually want to learn how to do this. My trucking story is inspiration. Appreciate it, man. Wolf is legit. I appreciate it. Yeah, trucking, it was very, very stressful. That's the one thing I didn't like about trucking. It's just, yeah, it's very stressful. You're always gone from home. The dispatchers don't care about you. They just want you to go, 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 go. Because if those wheels ain't turning, you ain't making money. and you're working 80 hours a week driving a truck, and you're only bringing home maybe $1,000 if you're lucky. That's not worth it. That's why I didn't really last long. I was a trucker for like a year, and I said, screw this. Lots of personal best this week, yup. How much did you give back to the market versus profited? I didn't give any. Every day this week, I was profitable. Every single day. I went 5 for 5 this week. If you're in the Discord chat, Monday through Friday, you know how I trade. Because at the end of the day, I always post my P&L and show everybody how I did. And like I just said, I'm not out here on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, flexing how much I made, because it just attracts trolls, negative people, people that just get googly eyes over the profit, and then they just want hot stock picks. I'm honestly not about that. My number one goal here is to get dedicated people that actually want to learn this and that want to show up every day and put the work in. Because I can guide you. I can guide you all day. But I'm not going to sit there and feed you hot stock picks, when to buy, when to sell. That's stupid in my eyes. You feel a lot better about yourself when you yourself are able to consistently pull profits out of the market. By the way, Microsoft is set to buy Discord. I could see it happening for sure, because they already work closely together. Blue 6, slow and steady wins the race. Exactly. Yup. I've been doing this for 6 years, guys. Don't forget that. If you go back on my YouTube channel, so when I first started posting videos, you see me, I was making a couple $100 a day. And over the course of all 500 of my videos, you see me leveling up. I started out making a couple hundred and being psyched and excited to making 1,000. I was making a couple thousand for a long time. And then I started slowly leveling up, making a couple thousand, getting comfortable with the size, building up. I'm telling you guys, go to my YouTube channel, go filter it to pull up all my oldest videos first, and you'll see at the beginning, I was only making a couple $100. My best day would be 1,000, maybe 2,000, but those were home run trades. And then over the course of my videos and my history, I've just built up. It's leveling. Now 6 years into this, and I've been doing YouTube now for 3 years. I'm still leveling up. It's all documented. That's one of the reasons why I started doing YouTube videos as well. Nobody's going to believe a guy that just shows up, makes a channel. Yeah, I made 18, 20,000 a day with no backstory or history. Let's see. Linus says he did trucking for 20 years. Wow. I have nothing but respect for you for doing that. Wow. That's a feat and achievement in itself right there. And the good thing with it, you get to see the United States travel all around. You're your own boss in a way. But man, it takes a man to do trucking. It does. You're brand new, you're all freaking out. Yeah, I just wanted to show you guys going way, 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 way back. If it'll load up. See, a year ago, I was making over 500 profit. Finally joining group Monday AM. Going to start April right. Hopefully that's not an April Fool's joke. Telling you guys, join the wolf pack, you'll love it here. We're in here every single day, pushing each other, motivating each other, sharing education. I'm pretty proud of what I've built here. And a lot of the members already, over the course of time, watching them grow, it's come a long way. Yesterday, we had 3 members do personal best. That's awesome. Well, and I'm just doing a couple things here on the side. So going back to all my older videos, November 2020, 5K profit. Scrolling down. Next page. I mean, my video history goes back far. $2019, 500 profit. So it's all about building yourself up in stages. $2018. Day trading, 800 profit back in 2018. Still going back. June 30th is when I started posting videos. There's something I wanted to show you guys, though, here in a second. Let me catch up on these comments. What would I say is the average annual income for an average day trader? That honestly depends because everybody's different. Everybody's different. Everybody has a story. Everybody's on a different journey. So you got people like Ross, they make like probably 5 million a year. And then somebody like Madaz, he's making 30 million a year. And then Investors Underground, he's probably making maybe $1 million a year. I mean, it just depends on how long you've been doing it, how much you challenge yourself. Exactly, Travis. He says, I agree with you. Being able to know how to discover the moves yourself creates confidence. You nailed it right on the head. Right on the head. I tell people all the time, I have my trading strategies and setups that I like to trade. But if I was to alert a stock and one of my moves, it's my beliefs and how I view the market. And I like trading fast moving stocks. I'm comfortable holding on to positions when a stock rips and 50 cent, a dollar at a time. I'm comfortable doing that. Somebody else, they may freak out. They're all in on it. They're not used to how this stock moves. They see it rip down 75 cent, rip up $1.50. They're market ordering out, freaking out. That's why I say I don't want to give alerts, because I'm comfortable trading my setups. You may not be comfortable trading my setups. So here, we try to help you guys build up your own confidence. And I show you guys from my experience, and I'm always sharing charts, breaking down charts and sharing it with you guys to show you how I view the market and my beliefs, how I put these strategies together. And from that, you get the idea of how I do it, so you could start formulating your own ideas. From that, you build up confidence. You're tweaking with your strategies. You have like-minded people surrounded by you in the group. Everybody here wants to be better. So we all motivate each other. We push each other. You may see something, but another person may see a flaw in it, so they'll point it out. And that could be something you overlooked. You have multiple eyes in the market. It's much better to work with a team. People who want hot stock picks are the type of people who think this is a get-rich-quick scheme and don't appreciate the skill that it takes to be successful at it. You nailed it right on the head, James. Exactly. I just seen a video the other day. A girl said, and I'm not just saying it because she was a girl, but I shared the video in chat. This girl said she's interested in day trading. So she heard about AMC and she heard about buying the dip. The stock dipped. She said she picked up some shares and now she's going to hold it because somebody said they see a price target of AMC for $2,000. So now she's a long-term investor. She started the video saying she was interested in day trading. At the end of the video, she's bag holding. Yeah, running into fire extinguishers. Yeah, that was a stressful day. That sucked. I told you this when I started, but I've been in the room a month or two, but April 1st, no joke. I'll be here in the wolf pack full time, no other job for me. This until the end. Good to hear it, K-Man. You've been with us for a while, and you could honestly say, being a part of this group, you're growing and developing and getting that confidence, and you could see the potential. I know you members can, because the number one thing I preach, and I preach to the members here, risk management, not getting FOMO, developing your own strategies and plays, and locking in profits. I tell you guys all the time, lock it in, guys. Lock it in. Be thankful. Don't linger and hang around and give it all back. Any day you're able to pull profit out of the market is a good day. We just did the P&L thing yesterday talking about that. Newer people with their P&L, it looks like this. Violent swings up, violent swings down. That's how someone's P&L over the course of time looks. You want to take it a day at a time. Stick with one specific size. You're not going all in every single trade. And taking it a day at a time, just slowly taking profits over the course of time. Sure, you'll have a couple of hiccups, but it's nothing you can't handle. And just focusing every day, locking in profit, locking in profit. Focus on closing green for the week instead of focusing on closing green for the day. Focusing on closing green for the week leads to closing green for the month. And that's where consistency starts to follow. And then over the course of time, you look back and you're like, wow, it's been 6 months and I'm already up 50K, 60K. That looks a lot more stress-free than someone's P&L like this. Going all in every trade, going after risky trades like WAFU. People get tempted by stocks like this. They see how much a stock moves. The first thing they think is, wow, look at how much money I could have made on that. They don't think about the risk, the downside. We were just talking about this today in the live stream. As traders, and when you're in the market throughout the day, you always want to be monitoring your thoughts. And you're always reevaluating the risk versus reward. You're always consistently, currently, right now on WAFU, evaluating. All right, what's the risk right now? What's the reward? Is it worth it? No, I'm going to wait. Stock drops down. All right, reevaluate. What's the risk? What's the reward? I'm risking 50 cents. The stock could push up $1.50, $2. Yeah, that's a good risk versus reward. Risking 50 cents to make $1.50, $2. That's pretty much a 4-to-1 risk versus reward or more. Then you feel comfortable taking the trade. And you stick to your plan. But quick thing I wanted to cover with you guys, and I get a couple messages about this. When you guys click join on this right here, and you join the community, please, please, please go through when you click on these and read through all of the perks that you get with each of these. The Discord chat only for $20, that's all you're getting. You're just being a part of the Discord chat in the community. You're not going to participate in getting member-only videos, live stream trading on Fridays. You're not going to be a part of the masterclass that we're releasing once a month. I have this option available because there are some people out there that just want to be a part of the chat room. That's it. So I have it for them. There are people out there that want the whole shebang. They want to be a part of the trading live stream. They want member-only videos. They want the masterclass. So it says it right there. Discord chat room only. Premium chat room Discord. The Discord is not a stock alert service. does not include live stream trading every day. I get people that sign up and ask me, where are the alerts? We don't do alerts here, buddy. What? But every other chat room out there gives out alerts. Or I get, why are you charging for your Discord? Why? There are a lot of free Discord chat rooms out there. Yeah, there are. You got Atlas Trading. That's free. Go for it. You got Norwell Trading. That's free. Go for it. You got Boiler Room. Most of it's free. Go for it. You got Wall Street Bets. This is free. Go for it. But keep in mind, you get what you pay for. Free doesn't necessarily mean good. You're gonna be with a bunch of noobs that don't know what they're doing. They're overcrowded. You're just another number there. They don't care about you. You actually sign up and be a part of a community with other members. It's a small group. You get familiar with everybody. You know there's dedicated people here because they're all members as well. Free doesn't necessarily mean the best. That's what I'm trying to get at. Even at the top of the Discord, there's a start here. Click on that. It drops down all these sub-channels. Please, guys, go through here and read all of this stuff. It'll explain everything, and it'll save you and me a bunch of time. I can't tell you guys how many messages I get from people who join the server. They say, hey, everything's locked. How do I unlock it? Did you look at the start here? No, I didn't. Might be a good place to start. All you gotta do is click on it, react to this Me6 bot here. Tells you right there. React to it, and it'll unlock the server for you. Membership, how does that work? There will only be 2 available memberships to choose from. The Discord chat room only. What's included with the Discord chat only? Unlock all educational channels in the server and chat with members in the main chat Monday through Friday. See what Mr. Wolf is trading and my daily watch list for day trading. That's it. Wolfpack Ultimate Pass. What's included with the Wolfpack Ultimate Pass? The Day Trading Masterclass. Once a month classes. Member only videos. The Discord Premium Chat Room. Access to the Monday, Friday chat. Pre-market prep. Every day before the market opens, we jump into the pre-market prep channel down here, right there. And we do a rundown of all the stocks that are on my watch list. Start developing a plan. What's the overall market environment? Putting together a watch list, a plan, pumping up the members, getting them level-headed. Say, hey guys, remember, at the market open, we're not gunslingers and out here just buying and selling. We want quality, not quantity. From what I've been hearing, a lot of you guys been liking the pre-market prep. That's good to hear. So we'll continue doing that. But it just blows my mind sometimes. Some people come out here and they don't put 1 + 1 together and they expect to make money trading. It's like, dude, you can't even figure out the Discord. Ray672, the In my experience, the hardest thing to understand is the overall picture, down uptrend, and planning your entry and exit. It comes with time, Ray. It honestly does. Showing up every day, viewing these charts and breaking these charts down, eventually it's going to start clicking. And you're going to see things over and over and over and over again. Start with the daily chart. Where's it at on the daily? Look back on that daily chart. What has the candlesticks told you it's like to do? You're getting a sense of the stock's personality. So if you see a stock on the daily chart it's gapping up, look back. How many other times has that stock gapped up? Do you see big green juicy candles? Or do you see long upper wicks? Do you see red deep death candles? Stuff like that. Gives you an idea of the stock's personality, what it likes to do. Filter through the daily chart, weekly chart, monthly chart. See where all the big moving averages are. And then focus on just a couple time frames. You don't need to look at a 60-minute chart, a 30-minute chart, 15-minute chart, 10-minute chart, 5-minute chart, 1-minute chart. Just get a couple of them. Like 1 minute, I use a 3-minute and a 10-minute. That's all I use. I'm not going off and looking at a 30-minute, a 65-minute chart, a 4-hour chart. I'm a day trader, so I'm more focused on short-term trading. I don't need to know what a stock's doing on a 4-hour chart. I'm not even going to hold on to a position that long. So the more you do that over the course of time, things will start clicking. You'll get into a routine and you'll get a feel. If you're in your first year, it's going to be hard. It is. You're not really going to pick up on things until your second, maybe going on your third year. Everybody learns at different paces. It took me 2.5 years to pick up on this game and start seeing consistent profits. I blew up 3-4 accounts. Even till this day, 6 years in, I'm still learning stuff, guys. It's a never-ending process. So the more time that you dedicate and put yourself into this type of stuff, the more you'll get out of it. Looks like something's going on. So far, it's still looking good, though. Remember that level, 385. That's the key level to pay attention to. From here, you're going to want to see it pay attention above 390. Like I mentioned in the pre-market prep, guys, the SPY, it has not touched 400 yet. It's going to want to test and touch that area before anything happens. That's what I think. It'll probably come back down to 390 and bounce off of that. I'm done for the day, though, guys. If you guys didn't know or wasn't here earlier, I traded 5 stocks, green on all of them. I'm locking in $14,605 for a Friday. That's really good. Really good. I don't see anybody out here on YouTube doing this type of stuff. I really don't. And I'm always on YouTube seeing what these other traders are doing and how they're trading, how much they're pulling in. And I'm not just saying that to toot my horn. I've worked hard for days like this, and I still do. Every single day after the market closes, I'm going through charts, breaking them down, adding and removing from my watch list. Breaking down these charts. Why did the stock make a move like that? Why did it crash down from 392 down to 391? Why did it do that? There has to be a reasoning. So I get my little tool right here. I draw my lines. I circle stuff. Draw out, connect volume. Write little notes on my charts. And I save it. And then over the weekend, I pull up my folder on my desktop and I blow through all the charts that I saved and marked up. Reevaluate them. Stay familiar with how these stocks are liking to move, because the market's always changing. Awesomeness for a Friday. Heck yeah, Friday's hardest day to trade. Is this program for someone totally new? Is there something show us to set up chart 2? Depends on what platform you're on. If you're on Thinkorswim, I have a couple Thinkorswim playlists. You could check that out. Or in Street Smart Edge, Charles Schwab. If you go to my channel in the playlist, I have a Street Smart Edge playlist with 20 videos in there. It's up to you guys to put the work in and watch the videos. I did the hard part. I made the content, I edited it, I published it, I organized it all into playlist. It's all up to you guys to put the work in, watch the videos, take notes, and get better. That's why a lot of people fail at day trading, because they just don't put the work in. They don't. They have excuses. I understand a lot of people have families and kids, they're married, but it's called sacrifice. You have to sacrifice time and just get on that study grind to get better. It's going to be hard. It's going to be very hard. But if I can do it, you can do it. I told myself I was going to learn this game and I was going to be a successful day trader. I even made a note and I put it up on my fridge so I seen it every day. I signed it, put a date, and I said I will be a successful full-time day trader. I will not have to worry about money. I will consistently pull in money, and I will be a better man and a human and continuously work on myself every single day to be better and better. You could study charts, though, all you want. About 90% of it, though, comes down to your beliefs, psychology, your emotions. In a way, you really have to know yourself, your limitations, what you're good at, to be good at this game. A lot of people emotionally, compulsively buy and sell stocks. Human nature never changes. That's why these patterns have been the same for years, hundreds of years. Appreciate it, K-Man. Have a great weekend, dog. See, like stuff like this. And I'm not going to purposely put this guy on blast, but any food to buy now for next week. So pretty much probably talking about, hey, what stocks should I buy next week? Like, get out of here, bro. We're not out here to feed you stock picks. We're out here to teach you. All right, solid week. Solid week. WKEY is falling back down. Market closes here in 2 hours. I'm done, guys. I'm locking it in. I'm going to call it an early day. Enjoy my weekend. Get an early start to it. This was one crazy wild week. We had members hitting personal best this week, getting all pumped up, making that profit. I've seen a few of you guys making $600, $900. Absolutely smashed it today. Let me see if I can find it here to give you guys a call out. It's in Monday. Paper cuts making $434 today. See, Beth hasn't traded, only watching. Nothing wrong with that. Wait for your setups. Gateway 1010 traded WKEY and TKAT plus $900. Awesome. You made that. Hawk Driver, $619. Probably gonna lock it in, start the weekend early. Gotta get my hair cut. Awesome job, guys. Awesome job. You guys earned that. It feels good when you make your own profit. You placed those trades. You made that money. You didn't have to rely on me calling it out. I can help guide you in the right direction. What stocks to focus on, what stocks to stay away from. Show you examples of my charts, what I like to look for to help motivate you and get you thinking. If you put work into this and you believe in yourself, you can do it. You honestly can. Sure, there are going to be rough times. You're going to want to quit. I wanted to quit, and I'm thankful I didn't. You're going to have hard days. You're going to have hard weeks. You got to take it a day at a time. Focus on the process. Trust the process. And everything will fall into place. You're just chasing after stocks. No plan, no strategy. You're holding and hoping. You're bound for failure. You're bound. Wicked awesome day. WKEY, TKAT, CLEU, and EEIQ. Alright, guys. Enjoy your weekend. Study this weekend. Don't be slacking. Study a little bit. You don't have to go hardcore, but at least study a couple hours this weekend. Reset. Enjoy yourself. Relax. And I will see you guys in the chat on Monday. Be safe out there. Remember, take it one day at a time, one trade at a time. Focus on quality, not quantity. You don't have to trade every single day. Remember, all it takes is for one good trade to make your whole week, or it could make your whole month.